Okay, let's see if this works. No, not enough. Okay, so it won't be copyrighted. I can start the stream, new prime mode, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Let me just mute this chase. Video sharing. Yeah. Hmm. Reverse engineering. Here. Yeah, 80 people. Jesus Christ, 80 people online. It's a little bit too high. Okay, so for this stream, what I intend to do is first of all remove this crap right here and work on DirectX stuff. I think that will be the most important thing. So entry point. On its main. Let me just disable this because it's not working. Okay, now I can restart the game and see if it's working. The main menu was not working. Okay, so all good. So DirectX stuff. So I want the easy way of doing this because it's really annoying to do another DLL just for this. So the input, okay, this for input. So let's focus on direct draw create. I think they enumerate and create. Not super familiar with DirectX, but when they call this, it's this jump right over here. So I can overwrite the address here to be anything that I want. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is the IAT text view. Still in the text section for whatever reason. Yeah, but the IAT fills this address right over here. So yeah, let's check this address. Jump, and these two addresses. What the fuck is the jump over there? Well, it's not relevant. FF25 means it's an indirect jump. Wait, I think, yeah, I only need to write the address in this position. Following dump. Yeah, exactly. This, yeah, it's the IAT right over here. I just need to go to that address and change the value that's stored there. Let's enumerate XA, and then it creates. Good to. No. Um, I'll work on TRG later. I want to first disassemble more of the game since I haven't been working on this, and I think there's more important stuff to work now besides TRG. Um, trigonometry files. I mean, 3RG, whatever. Yeah. So I just need to get this address, copy. Copy. Where's the address? Oh, address, okay. Yeah, but I'll work on TRG stuff in the game, like this part over here. Oh, not this, what the fuck. So I want to focus on this part first because, like, if this is working, then I can just move the logic to my disassembler, and I can just use as a guide for me. If I can rewrite this and then go lower and lower. Where's the function? Yeah, I forgot how the TRG files work, but it's all good. I have source code in my Spidey tools. Let's see, how do they work? It's super simple, this file. So the main function, where's the main function? Oh, it's right here. We must pass an argument, ignores py files, it loads the TRG, checks the headers, gets the number of nodes, ensures the terminator node. Okay. Now TRG must be just open, yeah, exactly. The number of nodes, let's see. So at offset 8, dereference the word, easy. Ensure terminator node, goes to this address, oh, checks the last node and checks whether it's a terminator node. Okay, perfect, it's not hard. Run auto executor for each node, goes to the node and tries to run. Okay. Okay, easy. There's the translation table. Right? No. Oh, it's not using the transition table anymore. Oh, it's using, yeah, the function table. Exactly. Okay. DirectX stuff. I don't know why I call this file DirectX stuff. It shouldn't be that. Void DirectX I import address table patch. Let's do splog. Let's just print what's in this address. No. Copy address. And I just need to add 2. Is this the enumerate, right? DirectX IAT patch. Since this is basic stuff, oh god. I'm not using Vim right now because it's not super needed. Fun fact, the custom texture loader was written all using Visual Studio, not Vim. It's not Vim software. So install redirects, install patches. This is a patch. DirectX IAT patch. The command failed. It's because this is running, yeah, of course. So, for some reason, Windows requires there exists a physical, quotes on that, copy of all the modules. so it's kind of dumb in my opinion. Oh god, this was not smart. The problem here is I need to dereference this address. So let's just dereference these and see how it goes. Control Shift B. What a fucking weird combination. Come here. Okay, let's see if this is the correct address. It looks like. Yeah, so I just need to patch that. I just need to overwrite this address with something of mine. What's the... It already shows me the... So it's LP callback, LP context, and the flags. Yeah, nothing. Oh, it says STD call. Yeah, that's important to say. Well, yeah, it's important. No, well, not really. No, it's actually important. Just copied this. So hook. So L. Direct draw, enumerate address of a function to be called with the description of each direct draw enabled hardware. Huh. This is cool. So it's the function. I can also hook this parameters. It's a function application defined function. Let me see. If I return no hardware accelerated device, yeah, it's STD call. Got devices. So if I return no direct draw device, I can probably get the PS1 look. Oh my god, this is so fucking stupid. Yes, source key. No. Okay. Perfect. So I can just put this as a void pointer or long pointer void just to be more idiomatic. Oh fuck, I always forget how to do function pointers. Function pointers, see, god, I'm always forgetting how to do that shit. Yeah, it's just this, okay. H results. STD call. Fuck. Okay. Direct. Oh yeah. Direct draw hook. But now it's function pointer with these parameters. God. I like C, but this is fucking retard. Calling convention function pointer. Yeah. Apparently it goes inside. Is the compiler happy now? So I can just do direct draw hook. So direct draw hook, direct draw hook has null, not using null pointer because that's hella gay and that's a fact. So direct draw hook, it's right here, and I need to cast this as a direct draw hook, or else I'll get the compiler. The compiler will be annoyed. So now I just need to do what's the value in address be replaced by, of course I need to, of course I'm editing a D word. Wait, I think all the memory, yeah, all the memory, I've taken care of that. It's writable. Of the address of the hook function. Does this even build? Perfect. Now I can say replaced enumerate this with this. So direct draw hook. Exactly. And since I'm not doing anything now, I'll just direct draw hook. Then I'm getting vibes of the custom texture loader. Build. Now. So I got the last chance exception. For whatever reason. And why did I get that? I have no clue. Probably I messed up the address. No biggie though. Direct enumerate. Exactly. This thing right here. So apparently this is weird. Following dump. Yeah, this doesn't look replaced. Oh yeah, of course it doesn't look. Ping 32. Search for current module strings. Thank God. This is why you should have strings. We know. Okay, that's a typo. Yeah, right here. Let's go. Installing patches, of course. Will that address be overwritten? No, okay, it wasn't. Oh yeah, because yeah, I'm not editing the IAT. What I'm getting there, it's the address of the IAT. Address in IAT. Yeah, of course, of course. So address in the IAT, it's that one. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. I shouldn't. I'm doing an IAT patch. Last chance exception. So this part is failing. Mm. I don't know why this is failing. It's time to find it out. F9. I guess. Following this assembler. No. Oh. Wait, this is DirectX stuff. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. So in ECX, following this assembler. No. Mm. So EDX. No, it's yeah, okay, EDX is fine. God, I'm having a brain fart. So I have a jump to this address right here. So that's the address. I need to dereference it once. Yeah, I need to dereference it once. Fuck. Point. Jesus Christ. Pointer arithmetic fucks with my head. It's been a while since I worked with pointers. Oh god, let me just think. I'm going to go to the address. No. I'm dereferencing the pointer and writing there. Yeah, exactly. I'm dereferencing. Wait, this should work. Oh god, I'm even more confused now. Let's just hope this doesn't crash. Okay. Replace the enumerate. Let me get to the import table. I'm going crazy. I'll win this assembler. Yeah, that's why it's not working. It's jumping to the address that's in this memory position. Okay, so doing this, I'm writing to that address. No, I want. God, why is this hurting my brain so much? I'll end this assembler. Is the yeah, this is not code. Why is this being interpreted as code? So fucking weird. Oh. Uh, it's bytes. Yeah, yeah, of course. These are bytes. Yeah, okay. Everything is good. Okay, this is the import address table. Analysis, treat selection as D words. Yeah, of course. Why the fuck? I just need to write to this memory address. Oh, what the fuck is going on with this? Sometimes I don't know. Bytes. Come here. Oh, it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 32 bits. Why? What was your problem? No. The, oh yeah, it's not the word, it's a keyword. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh god. Okay, it stops recognizing it. Okay, it doesn't matter either way. It doesn't matter, it's... I need to get this number, 53B014. You know what? I'm just doing this. I'm obviously too dumb to understand this shit, so just take some time to think. Ah. Anytime I try to do something smart, this happens, so... Okay, run. Oh yeah. So this is the content of this. It means, oh god, I need to think a little. Oh god, my brain. Nonsense. Oh, nice. That's cool. That's nice. Fuck, I need to think. Yeah, okay, it's this one. One star means write to this address. 2 means write to that address. Yeah, of course. Okay. God. Jesus Christ. My brain. So... why the fuck was that failing then? I have a first chance exception. Oh, I know why. I don't have permissions to write in this section of memory. So 55 in the memory map. I should have... oh. So I don't have permissions to write. follow in this assembler 0053. Yeah, it's read-only data. I need to make this section writable. Okay, memory. Okay, actually, set text to writable. Where's this being done? Restore text permission. No. I do the same, but for the our data section. Our data start. Our data. Open subviews, sections. Copy. Perfect. Set text to writable, set date, no, set our data to writable. Tudo bem contigo? So set our data to writable. Now I can work with this and set our data to writable. Build restore text permissions as a body because this is so now if I go to symbols, no, memory map, our data as W, so yeah, it works. Kind of. It kind of worked. I know why it failed, but now it's working. Because I replaced, right? Wait, let me just say something. Whatever. Func. Return. Yeah, don't worry, boy. MSVC. Function name, macro. It's func. But lowercase. So now I just have to do. I guess the first time it failed, it's because I didn't do like this. Cause I have two warnings. Yeah. I'll fix these problems later. Yes, it worked. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm a god. So what's called with arguments? Okay. Ta, 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 ta. I can change the callback to be one. Yeah, I'll just need another function pointer. No biggie. Monitor, void. After the direct to enumerate X, the pointer to the whatever UID, not the pointer. Makes sense. For some, no, it doesn't. It's confusing the fuck out of me. I think these two both are valid. Whatever. Call back. So what it does, checks if the fourth parameter is bigger than 8. I don't know what's A for. Argument for. Why the documentation here sucks? It seems like it's a function that should be called. Address will be. Oh, perfect. The GUID, the driver description, the contact. Address of. Address of an application defined structure that will be passed to the callback. Okay. We know to the device, a non-display device such as got device, got direct draw device. If the device is null, this is super weird, but okay. Is the string even used? Nope. So type def. So callback. Enumerate. Já fala mais baixo. Enumerate callback. And okay. Enumerate callback. Original. Enumerate callback. Null. Starts as null. and is not a type name. Don't tell me it's because the star it's my enumerate callback. Oof. That's good, that's good. Oh, this is the context. And the arguments. And oh, LP callback, LP context, and the word flags. I can do original enumerate callback. So the original callback will be saved and replaced with my very own. What happens if I just do this? Just return the original enumerate callback, because I think they must do something that I'm not doing yet. Okay. So now I do original. Try enumerate. Numerate. Okay, that was a. Okay, it's done. 2 errors. Unresolved. Direct draw hook. Huh? Oh. Ah, João, pode falar mais baixo? Okay. It's working. So, what's called with arguments to the context, the structure to be passed, and this is the double flag. DW flags. Attach the function. And any such as fuck? Where can I see where these macros are defined? Oh, right here. 7. And yeah, this is 1. One, two. Yeah, I guess they have all activated. React OS. Of course, I can see this here. DirectX. What? Okay, 1, 2, 4, exactly. So they have non-display devices. They have every single flag activated. Will enumerate and then that are not attached to the desktop. Okay, I'll pick non-zero to continue the enumeration and 0 to stop the enumeration. So false. So false to stop the enumeration and true to keep the enumeration. What the fuck is this application context? Data 2, data 4, data 4, whatever. GUID. Yeah, so let's explore the GUID structure. Go to direct draw device. This is a hella weird function. I guess that 8 is just super weird. Graph view. Greater than 8. Like the function is super short. So shift left, EAX. They set this structure to all zeros. This test if EX is 0. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with IDA. Sometimes it's accessing arg0. Okay, if it's null, sets the structure to 0. Move EBX. Okay. So it's multiplied by 2 to the power of 8, 266 times, okay. This number is bigger than 8, it goes there, else use here. Yeah, I'll just focus on the pseudocode. I think the compiler just had a stroke there. Driver description, driver name. So SP log, enumerate, got this, string, A2, A3. So primary display driver, this primary display driver display, and got the enumerate got this, then it got the let's use this type of nomenclature to make my life easier. Enumerate got this, this one, and that one. Full res and returned. Let me just check something quick. Okay, and returned. Let's see what it returned. Return res. Here I'm just logging the return value just to see whether it was even accepted. It's easier than adding logging bit. So now between logging and I'll just do this and see what happens. So enumerate got this and returned 1. Shouldn't have returned 1. Probably zero to stop. Why the fuck is it continuing? Yeah, exactly. Why the fuck is it continuing? The enumeration. Static. What? In return one. So primary display driver. And that one, right? And returned 1. Okay. Enumerate got primary display driver and display and returned 1. That's fucking weird. So it's fucking, the callback returns non-zero to continue the enumeration, and callback returns 0 to stop it. Fuck, what? Expands to 1, okay. I'll return 0, stop. Does that even work? Because it's just continuing the enumeration. Oh, primary display. Okay. Apparently, now did what I wanted. So it's working just fine. It's working just fine. I don't see anything weird. Yeah, it's working just fine. Not doing any wonky stuff. So renests. So I need to go to level select. Let's say bank approach. So okay. Hey, can you continue, please? Right. Did my controls get reset? Yes. Okay. Okay. Right, jump, kick, punch, web, aim, zipline, swing. Okay. Okay, now it's working just fine. The controls. That's why I wasn't able to skip the cutscene. Out of my way, nerd. Out of my way, nerd. Oh my god, this guy is tough as fuck. I like how sometimes the music just comes back. But it's all good. All good. Yeah, all good. So the application defined structure is passed around. So which kind of data are they passing around? A1 data, GUID. So the structure must be copied, right? GUID structure, DirectX. Our key part is 128 is DirectX 12 shenanigans. 8. A unique identifier for the instance of the device. This doesn't look good for me. It's dereferencing the structure. What is it getting and why? V6 it's just... I don't know what the hell that's doing. DirectX, GUID structure, React OS, Hallelujah. Volume address. Okay, this one. Enumerate, nope. Device. Enumerate. Why am I seeing wine? Direct draw. Uh, direct draw. Direct. Jesus Christ. Wrappers. Wraps. Yeah, of course. Not this kind of wrapper. Fuck. Are they? What the fuck is? Oh god. It's a pointer to GYD. Yes, okay. Fuck the documentation, it sucks so bad. Much better. Alright. Direct draw, enumerate example. Um, he's so fucking retarded. Set your LP GID. Structure. Oh. Also, it's a 16-byte structure, then it's... Why so many layers of indirection in this fucking documentation? DirectX. Wait, are they copying the 16 bytes? Yeah, they are copying the 16 bytes. Yes, that's what's happening. So show casts 16 byte. Yeah. Oh my god, these casts are so fucking dumb. That makes sense. V5. Also, V5 tells how many devices I have. Oh. So it copies all the GYDs. That makes sense. Okay, now that makes sense. Like draw create. Now that makes. Okay, so okay, I must stop the stream now and I'll continue later.